IKEA uses a simple trick that keeps millions of customers inside longer. Most stores want you to find products quickly. IKEA does the opposite. Instead of straight aisles, IKEA guides customers through a carefully designed path.
As you walk, you see hundreds of products you never intended to buy.
The average customer enters IKEA looking for one item, but leaves with several they never planned to buy. Then IKEA gives you cheap food and places to rest. Now you're comfortable and willing to keep browsing.
Now you're comfortable and willing to keep browsing. More time in the IKEA store usually means more money spent.
This strategy helped IKEA become one of the world's largest furniture companies. The layout isn't random. It's carefully engineered.
Great businesses don't just sell products. They design experiences.
Follow for more business secrets.